Ay, come on. Whee! Spinach. Bidua. We're gonna make piccolo for you. Bye, Rangga, bye. Bye. Bye, Isay. Oh no! This is not like this. Oh, agoy. Hi guys! Welcome back again sa aming channel! I'm with Isabel and today we're gonna make a pasta! A fresh pasta with spinach! So unfortunately, we did already, I thought we made already the video but it was closed guys. So, spinach, fresh from the garden that we took yesterday with Papa and Nono and Isabel. And we have this here. We blend already, guys. And Isabel helped me everything. She was very happy. I thought it was caught in the camera, but anyway, it was closed. So now she gonna make it, na? Okay, we have this, guys. I'm gonna use this one because Isabel's helping me, so it's not gonna make a mess, Isabel. So, okay. Yeah, she's gonna make it. I am putting the flour there for now, guys. There is the uva, yes. Okay. Mamma mia, quante, come si chiama? Quante spinaci, sì. So binilisan ko na dito guys, no. Hinalo-halo ko na lang po lahat yung ating yung ating spinach, may kasama na po yung itlog, guys. Nilagyan ko po ng 3 itlog, pero dapat 2 lang pala yung nilagay ko dito, guys, kasi super ma-liquid na siya ba kasi nga meron tayong spinach, no. So kung kayo guys maglalagay kayo, banain niyo na lang, banain, tansyahin niyo na lang, hindi siya masyadong basa, hindi siya masyadong dry. So ganun lang, kaya nga dagdag ako ng dagdag dito ng harina kasi super lambot pa po niya, no. Kaya ayan, dinagdagan natin yan. Parang 1 kilo na yata. Ayan, mahigit yung ating harina dyan. And ayan si Isabel guys, mag-apil-apil talaga yan siya dyan. Ay, hindi po talaga yan siya aalis guys. Kasi tutulong daw po talaga siya kay mama, no. And ayan naman, super nag-enjoy naman kami dito ni Isabel. Kasi kami lang naman dalawa dito sa bahay, no. Habang mga bata na sa school. And si Tunin, andun po siya kila Nuna. Let me do it first. Let me do it. We're not gonna finish this. Let me do it first. And also kay Bole Parite. But because it's getting very hard. Huh? Cos'è? Aspetta lagi. Lo so che vuole fare te, ma aspetta. Okay, let's rest for a little bit. Wala. So this, I think guys, this is okay now. Yeah? So i-rest muna natin ng konti guys yung ating dough, no, para maganda naman po yung textures niya. Mamaya pag ninilid natin ulit, malambot siya. So ayan, habang nililinis na natin yung ating guys, yung ating lagayan dyan. Ano ba yan? Para wala tayong madaming hugasan, no? Ayan guys, tapos na yung 30 minutes and we're gonna make piccolo for you. Be careful, okay, that's gonna fall down. Gonna break the oh no, you see what you did here for. Kami sa Isa. What you did here. Lagyan niya ng mga unsa naman ni Isay. Come non è vero? Aspetta! Hai visto? Mi sottotoccose qua. Agoy. Let's throw away the things. Let's remove these things, harina that you put. Okay. It will attach everything here then. Capito? Let's remove. Let me put properly your chair so you're not gonna fall down, right? Comfortable for you, right? Okay. Let's flatten these things, guys. Oh, finally. Bye lang ka, bye. Bye. Bye, Isay. Oh no! This is not like this. Oh, agoy. Wada, it's eating again. It's eating again. Huh? It's eating again. It's eating again. Oh no, I have to tell Papa to bring the other one. I have to tell Papa to bring the other. Oh, shucks. Oh no, that's why. That's why. It's broken. Oh no, it's broken. It's broken this. It's broken. It's broken. It's broken. Let me call Papa. Let me call Papa. Oh no, let's call Papa, okay? Let's flatten na lang with the things here. We can make our bed. See, Loso, babe, you gonna get us, yeah? Babe, you know this makina here of the pasta? The makina of the pasta here is not good, babe. It was the things here, but when I zira, babe, is eating because it was umpo. How do you call that one, babe? It was open, open. Wada. Anyway, I'm making. What I said, what I'm doing? Bring the pasta. Huh? But anyway, no problem because I'm gonna flatten with my hands. Ciao. So, ayun na nga guys, no, naiinis ako dito sa aming makina guys kasi hindi po talaga siya nakapa-flat ng aking dough, no? Kaya yung ginawa ko, pinaflatin ko na lang po siya sa aking cling wrap guys. Ginagawa ko hanggang sa mag-flat talaga siya. Kasi ayaw po niyang kumain doon sa pang-flat kasi nga na may nakaharang doon, ayaw bumaba yung ating dough. So, kaya ayun, may at least ano guys, meron kaming isang extra, no? Kaya kukunin namin yun mamaya. And ayun, nagagamatin natin next. Ito, itatapon ko na to guys. Or, paayusin ko. Dikdikin lang yung sa loob ba para mapantay siya ba. Kasi nga, nakaukhal siya. Unsa man na nakaukhal guys. Basta, naukhal yung kanyang stainless sa loob ba. Kaya pag nilalagay mo yung ano sa taas, hindi siya bumababa kasi nga sumasangit siya doon. Basta guys, intindihin nyo na lang guys. Hindi ko maintindihan kasi Tagalog ba. And ayan, medyo ano kasi yan guys, yung ating pasta din guys, medyo basa-basa, hindi siya masyadong dry ba. Siguro kasi first time kong gumawa nitong nilagyan ko ng ano. And okay naman siya guys, masarap naman talaga siya. And yun lang, medyo makapal siya kasi nga pinaflatin lang natin siya dito, hindi siya pantay lahat. So ayun po yung aming nagawa guys ni Isabel. So ito po yung ating pasta with spinach. Laga na? See? Maki bravo. Hi, chef.
Hi.
Hai finito?
No, finito sola.
Vai.
Facendo un manicomio.
Come on.
Mamma, questo è per giocare, dai, Isabel.
Questo qua di Isabel.
Mamma, perché ti sei truccata?
Io truccata? Mi sono lipstick.
Ancora solo lipstick.
È normale,
Mamma mia, I cannot even put makeup.
Yeah, tu, otherwise
Almeno io sono più bella di te.
Tu eri più bella, of course.
Giovane, non è vecchia, però pausa.
Yeah.
So, ayan naman guys, we finally finished and Isabel did herself this one. This is all Isabel did all by herself.
She did?
Yeah, she did all by herself this side. And this is our pasta.
She make this.
Mama,
she make this.
No, basta this. Wada. You can bring one for Isabel. She did all that. Ada. And now we are already started the water. It's almost boiling. And we're gonna start to put this one, guys. And we're gonna bring something to Nuna and Uno later. We're gonna let them try because they never tried to make a pasta with tagliatelle with verdura because we normally do the normal one, anak, no? Just without nothing. So let's see, guys. This is my first time doing these things. So hopefully it's this pasta. Hopefully it's good, no? But I think because I should make a little bit more. Kung si Kiamana. Because it's a bit. No, it's a bit soft, very very soft. Maybe put more farina. Yes. And it's a bit pressing everything. That's why it's attached now. See, ciao, Tuti. Ciao, Tuti. I'm gonna show you later. We're gonna show you later when we eat now. Ciao.
3, 2, 1, cheese.
So, guys, it's boiling. Our water is boiling.
You have to put all this.
Oh, kinun all. And we're gonna do this. This is very easy. And this is our sauce, guys.
It's ragu, vero?
Wow, yes, it's ragu.
Mama, but you said this. You said pasta. È la pasta che hai fatto tu.
È pasta che hai fatto te? Bidua, pasta! Ma, che brava, pasta di Isay! Vero, Langga?
Mamma, ma l'ha fatto tutte lei?
Sì. Come?
Anche io voglio.
Tagliamo? Tagliamo un po'?
Anche io voglio provare. Vediamo che gusto ha questa pasta.
Com'è?
Buono.
That's what I said. This is our first time making the pasta in this house.
Ma te ne vedrà la mia?
Dai, Papa, da moment of truth.
Sì, tra 100 anni.
Moment of truth.
Ah, beh, I'm sure that it is well.
Ma per me ha il gusto di tagliatelle. Con un pizzico di verdura.
Very good, babe.
We're gonna give some to Nona. We're gonna let them try.
No. Good for us.
They're gonna make anyway, no? They never done this. They did always normal.
Out of this world.
Come?
That and that is out of this world.
Come, approve. Approve.
No. Dale,
Approve
di
prima.
qua.
Pensa breve. Pensa
Primo.
Approve. Ah!
Papa, fai tetto.
Ma che brava man yan! Muna. Do you want to cut it? Thank you for helping, Mama. Thank you.
Mamma, ma che ora hai iniziato a farlo?
Alle 10:30, no, Beb? Alle 11. Alle 11 ba? Alle 11. Agoy. Piano. Agoy. Agoy, basta na. Piano, kaya there is buwa there. In the nose, there is buwa in the nose. You have to be piano. Okay? Brava.
Delizioso.
Deliciosa? Adesso finito. Mangia? Manga.